Hi, welcome to Amara Lace and Fabrics. Today, let's talk about fabrics. We have different fabrics for different occasions. But to simplify, we divided them into two collections. We have the fancy fabrics and the plain fabrics. So the fancy fabrics, these are the fabrics that have embroidery, beads, or borders in them. These are perfect for backdrops, table covers, or dance costumes. Don't forget to click next to see more. And then we have the plain fabrics. So these are the plain satin, taffeta, cotton, or mesh that don't have any extras. Our fabrics generally come in continuous yardage. For this month of October, we are having a 10% discount on all fabrics. So don't forget to use the code FABRICS10 when you check out. See you on your next shopping. Goodbye.